Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Radha Ashtami is an important festival in the Hindu mythology and is celebrated with passion and enthusiasm to commemorate the appearance day of Radha, who is believed to be the reincarnation of goddess Lakshmi. Radha Ashtami, also known as the Radha Jayanti, is the birth anniversary of Radha, who is the reincarnation of goddess Lakshmi. This auspicious day falls on the 8th day of the Shukla Paksha during the month of Bhadrapad. The day honors the selfless and famous bond of love between Lord Krishna and Radha, a unique relationship between humans and God. On this auspicious day, special pujas and prayers are organized in temples across the country. The celebrations are particularly grand and celebrated with magnificence and grandeur in Vrindavan, Mathura and in Barsana, which is the birthplace of Radha, where devotees worship goddess Radha and Krishna together in utmost devotion. To understand the sacred relationship between Lord Krishna and Radha, the first and foremost thing to do is clear the mind of the vices and impurities. Once these are removed from our mind, we will be able to see and understand the Ras Leela properly. The individual soul realizing that it is part of the universal soul, which is a continuity. Radha exists with Krishna, not without him. She represents the individual soul and Krishna the universal soul. On a lower level, we say the individual soul merges with the universal soul. The birth of Radha holds an important event in the Hindu calendar, and like most festivals in India, Radha Ashtami too is characterized by a puja and prayer session and a fast. In accordance with the Hindu calendar, the sacred and auspicious eve of Radha Ashtami is celebrated in the month of Bhadrapad on the Ashtami Tithi. It falls 15 days after the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna and usually takes place in the month of August or September. According to the scriptures, the love between Radha and Lord Krishna is regarded as the purest love, which has even been there between two people. They are considered as one soul, and therefore Lord Krishna amalgamates in Radha Rani. Radha Rani is considered as the mother of the entire universe, and on this auspicious day of Shri Radha Ashtami, devotees pray to her to bless them with Krishna Bhakti, devotion towards Lord Krishna. Radha Ashtami's fast and worshipping Radha Krishna can help one be free from all her sins. Radha Ashtami is a major day, and it is believed that those who fast on this day are blessed with happiness and prosperity in life. It is believed that chanting the Radha Gayatri mantra or the Radha Ashtami mantra and Aarti with full devotion can help overcome all obstacles and attain salvation. In short, observing a fast on this auspicious day is highly rewarding, blessing you with a prosperous life, freeing you from your problems, helps attain wealth and material desires, and most importantly, attain salvation. Radha Ashtami mantra is ओम वृषभानुज्जै विधमहे कृष्ण प्रियायै धीमहि तन्नो राधा प्रचोदयात. आरती श्री वृषभानु सुता की, मंजू मूर्ति मोहन ममता की टेक, त्रिविध तापयुत समश्रुति नाशिनी, विमल विवेक विराग विकासिनी, पावन प्रभु पद प्रीति प्रकाशिनी, सुंदरतम छवि सुंदरता की, मुनि मन मोहन मोहन मोहनी, मधुर मनोहर मूर्ति सोहनी, अविरल प्रेम अमीय रस दोहनी, प्रिय अति सदा सखी ललिता की, संतत सेव्य सतमुनि जन की, आकर अमित दिव्य गुण गण की, आकर्षिणी कृष्ण तन मन की, अति अमूल्य संपत्ति समता की, कृष्णात्मिका कृष्ण सहचारिणी, चिन्मय वृंदा विपिन विहारिणी, जगत जननी जगदुख विहारिणी, आदि अनादि शक्ति विभूता की. Radha was born to Vrishabhan, Gop and Kirti. In the Padma Puran, Radha is described as the daughter of King Vrishabhanu Gop. It is believed that when the king was clearing the land Yajna, he was blessed with Radha in the form of land, what we call Dharti in Hindi. He took her as his daughter and brought her with love and kindness. Another legend says that Lord Vishnu had asked other members of his family to incarnate on earth while taking birth in Krishna avatar. Then Lakshmi ji, wife of Vishnu, came to earth as Radha. According to the Brahma Vaivarta Puran, Radha was the friend of Shri Krishna, but she was married to a person named Rapan or Rayan. It is said that Radha ji became an adult at the time of her birth to be the lover of Shri Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.